Hey guys, welcome to Power Toys. Currently stripping down the 57 for a repaint. Just wanted to go over a few things for those of you who might be interested in these cars. We thought they were going to go down in value when the baby boomers started to die off, but that's not really the case. They're going up in value still. I'm seeing four-doors still spiking up in value. Time to buy one if you want the car. There's no better time like the present. Go pick one up. Save these cars from rusting out any more than they already are. Things I wanted to go over for you guys. Rust spots. Bottom of the fenders rust out pretty bad. Rockers rust out really bad. Decals, window seals and stuff cause that to rust out. Your quarters rust out pretty bad. These trim holes will let water in. These window seals go bad. It'll rust out the bottom of the quarters, the bottom of the doors. These things are important because say you find a good deal on a classic car you want to get into, you get in over your head, and now it's sitting in your garage collecting more rust than it was before. It's important to know what you're getting yourself into before you dive into it. You could be hurting the car more than it was already in for. More spots to look out for. Your trunk is super rusty usually. The shock towers that are in the trunk, I don't have my keys on me. The shock towers were rusting out. My grandpa was a mechanic. He told me they were rusting out in the 60s, late 60s. Something to look forward to. You're going to have to replace those most likely anyway. So take a look at that. The shocks on this car are universal. I put shocks in from like a 2002 Honda Civic. Around your trunk pan will rust out as well. All around the perimeter, mine was like that. Your deck lid is always rusted out because there's a rubber seal in here and that collects moisture. So it'll rust out that deck lid. This bottom, the roll pan, sorry it's hard to see, but this whole roll pan down here will rust out really bad. You'll get rust down in here. This fin up top will rust out, but luckily you got some chrome to cover that. Not the biggest deal. Around where your rubber is at, your windshields, for your whatever you want to call it, the weather stripping, it will collect moisture and rot out as well. But and then I haven't seen it as much on the 57s, but the 5s and 6s, the front eyebrows will rust out. They sell caps you can put on there to fix that because it's such a big issue. But in terms of frame damage, they tend to rust out on the rear shackles for the leaf springs. Right around that area, they start to rust out. I haven't seen anything in the front of my frame, but the back I had to do some patchwork to make it nicer. I mean, it's not really structurally unsafe, but something that I wanted to address. The rear bumper support bracket where it bolts on also rusts out pretty badly just because it's steel on steel and it sits there collecting moisture. But I just want to make a quick video. There's no time like the present. Pick one of these cars up, save it from rusting out, go enjoy yourself, keep those things in mind. And the biggest thing, make sure all the stuff is there. I got a good deal on this car, but I made sure that I wasn't so worried about the rust. I had to do rockers, floor pans, everything. But the chrome was there. Chrome's expensive. I can't afford that. It had Bel Air stuff on the front, gold grill and everything. Has all the headlight hoops. It had I had to paint those gold because they're so pitted and destroyed, but they were there. Okay, the rockets, all the chrome, has some bends in it, whatever. I'm going to work on that now. But all of the trim was on the car. Trim is unbelievably expensive. You'll be in over your head real quick, especially if you aren't in your 50s, 60s, and you saved up a lot of money to work on these things. So, unless you don't care, try to find one that's a little more complete, even if it needs floors and rockers. Quick video for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. We're going to get this thing painted in a video probably 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks from now. Got to let the weather warm up a little bit. We're going to get back at it. Catch you guys soon. Bye.